Welcome to the world of car accessories. Buckle up and get ready to customize your ride. Now I am introducing magnetic leather sunglasses clip, designed for the discerning driver. The Chosmoy sunglass holder for car is designed with magnetic clamping structure and faux leather with high material. Just clip the car sunglasses clip on the sun visor for secure and easy access storage. Its lightweight design won't weigh down your visor, featuring powerful magnets for a secure hold. This car visor clip offers one-handed access to the sunglasses. The universal design securely holds sunglasses of any size, keeping them within easy reach while driving. Also grab non-magnetic cards, tickets, or cash in a flash, keeping your focus on the road. No more worrying about compatibility or compromising your vanity mirror's usability. This sunglass holder for car with minimalist look delicate stitching has 4 colors: black, gray, carbon fiber, and beige. Check out the reviews on Amazon and see why drivers love this convenient car visor clip with almost perfect rating. Thanks for watching. Have a question about a gadget? Leave a comment below and I'll make a future video. Stay cool.